Hey you guys, just a quick little video update here. In the ride along video that I made last week, I said one of the things I wanted to do was to get new rear tires for the car and go from a 15x8 wheel to a 15x10. So I got the 15x10 on there with the 275 60 15s. I had the 235 60 15s on there before, and the difference in the wider wheel and the bigger tire just makes a really nice difference on this car. I love the way it looks now with this back tire on the car. It fills up the wheel well a lot better. Car sits really nice. I really like the stance of the car. Actually, I could probably bring the nose down a touch, but I think I'm going to leave it the way it is for now. But anyways, so like I said, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you the car with the bigger rims and tires on it. I love like I said, I love the stance. I think the car sits almost perfect now in that. So I was gonna go with the ET Street, the 275 60 15 ET Streets, but at the end of the day, it just came down to cost. These were about $130 cheaper, and you know, like a lot of us, I'm on a budget too. I'm not made of money. So since I don't really plan on racing on these tires, I have slicks for that. I went ahead with the little cheaper tire, and I've never had the Nittos before, so I thought I would give them a try. And so far, man, I love the look. So we'll see how it goes. But that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, because like I said, I had mentioned in that video that I was planning on changing out the wheels and tires in the back real soon. So all right, hope you guys like it. I love it. And like I said, I just think the car sits really nice now. All right, guys, have a good one.